Do you have a Facebook page that you no longer use? Keeping it online can affect your privacy, confuse followers, risk unwanted messages. Today I'll show you the exact 2026 method to permanently delete your Facebook page without leaving traces. Let's make your digital footprint clean. Welcome back to Preyo Phonie, the channel where creators and page owners learn how to manage Facebook like pros. Deleting a page may seem simple, but Facebook hides the proper steps. Follow this tutorial to delete your page safely and avoid future mistakes. Step 1. Open Facebook menu. Open your Facebook app. Tap on the menu saw three-dot icon. Scroll down and click on Pages. Step 2. Select your page. Choose the page you want to delete. Open that page. Step 3. Open Page Settings. Tap on the Page menu, three-dot icon. Go to Settings and Privacy. Then tap Settings. Step 4. Access your information. Scroll down and tap Your information. Now press Access and Control. This is where Facebook lets you manage your page ownership. Step 5. Delete your page. Tap on Delete Page. Facebook will ask you to confirm your decision. Press Continue. Step 6. Choose a reason. Select why you want to delete your page. For example, I have a privacy concern. Then press Continue. Before we start, subscribe to Preyo Phonie for Facebook management hacks, privacy and security tutorials, social media growth strategies. Now let's delete that page safely. Step-by-step process. Step 7. Final confirmation. Press Continue. Boom! Your page is now scheduled for permanent deletion. Note: Facebook may give you a 30-day grace period to cancel if needed. Pro tips: make sure to download any page data, posts, videos, photos before deletion. Inform your followers if needed. Once deleted, everything is gone forever. This method works for all new Facebook page layouts in 2026. Now you know exactly how to permanently delete your Facebook page and protect your privacy in 2026. Remember, managing your pages is about control, privacy, and professionalism. If this tutorial helped you, like this video, share with other page owners. Subscribe to Preyo Phonie, because here we don't just teach Facebook. We empower creators